Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about CS Cart ordered product history. With the help of this add-on, you can allow your users to view the ordered product details in a proper tabular form on a separate page at the front end panel. To know more about the features of this add-on, you can go to our Webcool store and go to the user guide manual provided over here. And for the online demonstration regarding this add-on, you can click on this demo button. Let us now proceed towards the installation part of this add-on. This is my admin panel. Go to add-ons section and click on manage add-ons. Click on this plus button to upload and install a new add-on. Click on local and browse the zip file which have been provided to you by Webcool and click on upload and install. Once your add-on has been installed successfully, you need to activate the add-on. Here you can view ordered product history in the installed add-ons. Let us activate this first. Now you need to configure the settings of this particular add-on. Let us search this. Here you can view ordered product history. To manage the settings, go to this settings drop down and click on settings button. Here you can view select order status. You can choose any of the order status and only those products will be displayed in the product order history page at the front end whose related orders have these selected order status. Once you click on this and enable the order status, you need to save the settings. Let us now see at the front end. This is my front end panel. A user will be able to view under the My Account section ordered product history. Click on this. Here various search options have been provided. User can easily search with the product name, with the product code and with the time period. And here under this section he can view all the ordered products details along with the date of the order and the price for the order. Now the customer will be able to select the desired product and add those products to the cart directly. Once this is done, he can easily check out and reorder the products that has been ordered previously. This is all about my CS Cart ordered product details. Thank you so much for watching.